We are the company that truly understands all the surfaces in your home. And that's why we created the best vacuum cleaning system with the perfect accessory for every surface need. The all-new Vorwerk Kobold cleaning system VK200. With its timeless new design and excellent energy efficiency, the VK200 sets new standards with best-in-class cleanliness on every surface. On carpets, hard floors, upholstery and mattresses. The new cleaning system has been made even better due to the automatic electric brush EB400, which recognizes the floor type and adapts the brushes accordingly. The SP530 delivers perfect results in half the time by vacuuming and wet cleaning hard floors in just one go. The VK200 is a complete cleaning system with the electric upholstery brush PB440, which guarantees thoroughly clean sofas, armchairs and even mattresses. The all-new Vorwerk Kobold cleaning system VK200 with best-in-class cleanliness for every home.
Finally, someone who knows how to treat me properly.
Vorwerk, because we understand surfaces.